Here's the purl bump. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 knit stitches below the live stitch. Take your needle, find that purl bump, stick it through, catch your yarn, pull through. So you've just knit through that purl stitch. Now slip the live stitch off the needle and unravel it. You have to unravel at this point because if you continue knitting, it won't unravel by itself. It will hold it all in place. So now you have 5 strands that have unraveled. That's how you can check that you've done the correct number. So knit again to the point of the knit 5 below, knit right through that stitch. Check it by seeing if the purl bump is sitting on top of your stitch, of your needle, sorry. Pull all the way through. Now unravel those 5 strands. This is how it looks on the side that you're working. And this is how it looks on the side that you can't see. I missed it. There it is. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus the purl bump.